In my experience, having helped my students flip over $100 million in real estate during the past 10 years, there are 3 things that you need to fast track your results and earn a 6 and even 7-figure income flipping houses. On today's video, get ready to learn the winning formula for success flipping houses coming up. Hi, it's Jerry Norton from flippingmastery.com, and if you're new here to make more money and less time flipping real estate so you can live your dream life, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. The first thing to build a successful business flipping houses is a proven system. Every great business has one. Why do people pay so much money to buy a successful franchise like McDonald's or Subway? It's because they have a proven business model or system that works and will save you time and money. You see, when I got started 15 years ago, a proven system for flipping houses didn't exist. Sure, there was good information about how to do some aspects of the business, but not a comprehensive system from start to finish. For years, I would learn certain things that were helpful, but it always felt like I was missing something. To me, it felt like flipping houses was like this giant puzzle, and I had to go out and find one puzzle piece at a time. Now, if you've been experiencing that same thing, leave a comment and let me know. So I finally came to the conclusion that it didn't exist, and if it was meant to be, it was up to me. So after years of learning and implementing and trial and error and making mistakes and learning the hard way about what works and what doesn't work, I finally took everything I learned after flipping hundreds of deals and using modern day technology and tools. I put it all together in a cloud-based house flipping deal management platform called Flipster. Now, I first launched Flipster in 2014, and we've been making it better and better ever since. We've got some really cool new features coming out in a few months that are really exciting. Now, if you'd like to learn more about it and how it works and see it in action, just go to getflipster.com or click the link in the description. But whether it's Flipster or something else, the right system can help you organize and automate and streamline all of the steps of flipping houses, which is critical to compete in today's market. But a proven system alone isn't enough. Once you have a proven system that works, the second thing you need to having a winning formula is a mentor. Now, a mentor is someone who's done what you're trying to do. They can help you avoid pitfalls and overcome roadblocks. A mentor will hold you accountable, and they can make sure you're heading in the right direction, which is especially important in real estate so that you're staying current with market trends. The right mentor can help you take that proven system and implement it for maximum results, and do it 10 times faster than if you tried to figure it all out on your own. My biggest regret looking back is that I didn't get a mentor sooner. Don't make that same mistake. Watch this video to learn the 2 rules when choosing a mentor. And the third key factor to building a successful house flipping business is a partner. Now, when I say partner, I'm specifically referring to another expert flipper who is willing to bring the capital to the table. In other words, you find the deal and you do the work, they bring the money and expertise, and you partner on deals and split profits. Now, this type of partner has a vested interest in your success because the better you do, the better they do. The reason why this is so powerful is because you earn while you learn. Now, I don't know about you, but I learn best when I'm actually doing it, not reading about it or listening about it, but actually doing it. Imagine being able to learn how to flip houses while actually doing deals and making money. And when you combine a proven system with a mentor and a partner, as long as you're willing to do your part and do the work, you not just have all of the pieces to the puzzle, but also a winning formula to successfully flip houses. And I'll be honest with you, I would have given anything to have these 3 things when I first got started flipping houses. I can't imagine how much faster I would have succeeded in this business. Now, if you like this idea of having a system, a mentor, and a partner, and working directly with me so that you can learn while you earn, then there are 4 steps that you need to follow right now. Step number 1 is you need to register for a free online training where I explain in detail how my partner program works. Now, the link to register for that training is in the description box below. Step 2 is you have to attend that training. Now, you can't skip this step, so once you register, mark down the date and block off the time to attend that training. You have to go through the training to make sure it's a fit for you. Step 3 is at the end of that training, if it's still something that you want to do, you'll be given a link to apply to the program. Now, to be considered, you have to watch the training and you have to apply to the program. Step 4 is once you apply, you'll go through an extensive interview process with my team. Now, keep in mind, the deciding factor is not your current expertise or experience, but rather your commitment to do your part. I want to make sure that I'm only working with people who are 100% dedicated to building a 6- and 7-figure business flipping houses. Now, I do want you to know that I only take on a handful of partners. The program is full. We'll put you on a waiting list and we'll let you know when a spot opens up. Now, I'm excited for you and I look forward to seeing you on that training, and I'll see you on the next video.